Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a little warning for all the gamers out there. Of course, in the past few years, gaming has been kind of expensive for a lot of people because graphics cards like these were at very high premium prices. Add to the fact that scalpers would actually buy these cards and resell them on eBay at a premium. Meant that it was kind of difficult to get something affordable for gaming. Now, with the cryptocurrency that is actually losing a lot right now, what's happening is a lot of people that were actually doing some mining, some crypto mining with graphic adapters are now wondering, well, no, it's not, something that is a viable option anymore. So the market has been flooded in recent weeks with graphics cards at lower prices that were once used for crypto mining. So a warning that actually is been sent today, this week, is that be careful. A lot of those cards have been clocked differently, or the voltages have been different because of performance issues, and a lot of them have defects. A lot of them have bad RAM or all sorts of problems because they were used in such a powerful way that they kind of got older faster than what is usually expected out of graphics cards. So many gamers that actually purchased graphics adapters like these that were at lower prices got cards that didn't have the same RAM that was supposed to, or created all sorts of problems in the gaming because they were just worn out, basically. So be very careful if you do buy a used second-hand graphics card, as right now it seems that a lot of people are getting bad cards that were used in crypto mining. Maybe it's not a good idea unless you can really test it and try it before you actually invest the money in the graphics adapters. So be warned, everybody. Use graphics adapters. A lot of them are defective, and it's actually common that graphics adapters become defective over time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.